In this guide, we are going to learn about the proper lifting technique. Back pains are the most common type of injuries. Correct postures and proper precautions to be taken while lifting an object is very important to prevent injuries. While lifting an object, one should keep a wide base of support. Your feet should be spread apart to make yourself more stable. It might require to place one foot ahead of the other. While lifting the object, keep the object close to your body. Lifting with extended arms will increase pressure on your lower back. Approximately, a 20 kg box held 2 feet far from you will increase lower back pressure to 200 kg. Posture while lifting an object. A person should bend one's hips and knees to lower yourself to reach the object. Don't bend using your waist. While lifting the object, you should extend your back slightly and allow your hips to stick out. This will help your back muscles to stay in a position where they can work with the most strength and prevent back injuries. While carrying an object, you should set your spine in the normal position and face the object which you are picking up. If you want to turn or change your direction, use feet and don't twist or bend sideways. Always take small steps